This morning, I'm going to be working on this laundry nook that we created, putting the siding on the walls. The thing that makes this awkward is our ceiling slopes, so it gets shorter as it goes that way. And we have to get this panel in. I think we got to take it out and tilt it so it's leaning my way, this way. So okay. Let's bring it toward you. Better? Yep. Okay, we just got our measurements marked out for this last panel that we're going to put in here. This is the template that I have to follow. Let's see if I can make it happen. Well, I just got it all cut out. Let's get it in here. Hopefully it fits without any problems.
Oh, do you want me to rinse that paintbrush out? We're done with it, right?
Yeah, I think it's no good now.
Oh, are we just throwing it out then?
It's already dried up. Okay.
Well, it looks like it's perfect, actually, doesn't it?
Kind of hard to see in this little dark nook, but these cuts all came out literally perfect. Dead on. Couldn't be happier. So, good. We accomplished laundry area. Boy, it's getting dark over here. I'm surprised. I'm going to caulk the corners, and then this area will be ready to paint. We managed to find one more piece of Smart Side, so we're going to keep going and do this wall right here.
This is always like a game.
Oh! I didn't notch out for the
jigsaw
floor here. Oh. So I just finished up the pieces around the doorway. We are done with that wall, and now we're just cleaning up and getting ready to paint. We would love to get all of this painted today. Now, what are we doing with this end cap? You want to just trim that out later?
Yeah, that's afterward.
Okay. You guys want to see the color we're doing? You know, it's the same as the front of our house. If you've seen that, this color.
Something.
We can try it.
It's actually a cool color. It's like lipstick.
Mm-hmm.
It we are putting lipstick on a pig. It's possible.
We are making good paint progress. Is this coming out good?
Yeah, I really love it.
You don't know if they can catch or if they're...
It does actually look see-through.
What are you talking about see-through? I put it on thick
No,
and
it's
smooth.
see-through.
You're dreaming.
And there's some spots that don't even have paint on it.
Come on, I've been doing this thoroughly. You looked at it.
I know, but it's see-through.
And as the sun sets on another day, we have completed our back porch. Look at this. Well, it's not complete. Completed painting and got the walls up. And actually it looks a lot different. It looks really good. Looks cool.
Yeah.
Matches your shirt almost.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we still have work to do. Obviously, we have to close in the porch and figure out what we're doing with all this. And I'm probably going to carry on some smart side up on that peak up there.
We
But
need trim on that window.
yeah, trim work still has to be done. I'm not even sure. Just a lot of little things. I was going to try to show you guys what it looked like from the backyard, because here in person it's such a transformation, but it's kind of hard with this lighting. So you're just going to have to trust us. It looks good. I am so happy that this is finally getting done. And it might seem that we're jumping around a little bit, but that's okay. All the jobs have to get done.
Yeah.
And we will be getting back to the mobile home soon, but we just wanted to make some progress back here. Anyway, the porch is getting done, the house is getting done. More progress today. Thanks for coming along, and until next time, take care.
Bye.